It's 9:03 at night, and I'm just getting but oh crap. I'm just gonna start editing the vlog now and get it up because it's 9 at night and it should have been up already, but I had to work because I got called in for somebody, so I'm only having more hours. It just sucks with the vlog, so when I work so much I can't vlog. I just can't. I try to as much as I can, but it's still only like 3 minutes long. But whatever, you're gonna watch it anyway. Meow, Hypnotoad. Yeah, tomorrow I don't work until later in the day. So when I work later in the day, it's okay, because then I have all day to vlog. Unless I wake up at like 2 in the afternoon. Well, oh crap, what did I cut? Okay, so I'm watching YouTube because I'm like 2 or 3 days behind because I've been working like every freaking day. And I've just been busy. The vlog is up on time, like always. Because when the vlogs are short, they're easier to upload. That's kind of why it's tempting when you just make a short vlog. It's so easy to just upload and that. Oh yeah, I had a clementine. Those little, they're like an orange, but they're like tiny. I had a clementine for the first day, and it was so good. I think I need to get more. Because somebody I work with, I told them that I never had one, and they bought some. They're like, well, here, have one. And they gave me one. So nice of that lady. Never really talked to her, but she seems like a nice lady. And I had it, and it was so good. I'm happy. They're so easy to peel, too. You just like... so much easier. Meow. She's just laying by me. Like my mess of cans and dishes everywhere. Yeah, I just got stuff like everywhere. Yeah, I don't work until late tomorrow, so I think I'll probably... Wait, I just realized I worked Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. I worked 6 days in a row. And tomorrow, 7. So I worked 7 days in a row. But at least tomorrow I go in later in the day. Instead of... I always hate going in early. Well, I'm gonna go back to watching this because this clip is almost 2 minutes long. So, but... my kitties are hiding. And, yeah, it's like 11 o'clock. I have to get up early tomorrow, kind of, because I have to go do school registration and ID picture for my school, ID, and just school stuff. There is a cat right here. This is Zoe. Zoe here. And I do school stuff. And yeah, so I have to be up early, kind of. So yeah. And that's the fan, that's why it's so loud. Ocean Air. This video is sponsored by Ocean Air. Nah, just kidding. It's actually sponsored by Coca-Cola. But yeah, have a sexy night, you sexy